Ever grappled with the frustration of slow hair growth, or hair that seems to have lost its luster? Perhaps it's time to turn to a natural remedy that is as old as time itself, yet often overlooked: the humble egg. Yes, you heard it right. The eggs sitting in your refrigerator have more benefits than just making a delicious omelette. They can be your secret weapon for boosting hair growth. Egg masks can be used on the face too. Rich in protein, biotin, and essential vitamins, are a popular choice among hair care enthusiasts. They offer an array of benefits to your mane. The high protein content in eggs is a boon for your hair. Proteins are the building blocks of hair, and eggs are a powerhouse of these essential nutrients. They provide your hair with the necessary amino acids for repair and growth. Biotin, a member of the B vitamin family, also known as vitamin B7, is a key player in maintaining hair health. It aids in strengthening the hair shaft and contributes to keratin production, a protein your hair is primarily made of. Eggs are a natural source of biotin, standing as a valuable ingredient for hair growth. Eggs are also a treasure trove of vitamins A, D, and E. These vitamins nourish the scalp, regulate sebum production, and shield hair follicles from damage, fostering stronger and healthier hair growth. Egg yolks are rich in fats and lipids that hydrate and moisturize hair strands, warding off dryness and breakage. Lecithin, a natural emulsifier found in egg yolks, locks in moisture and enhances hair elasticity. The health of your scalp is crucial for hair growth. Eggs, with their rich protein and nutrient content, nourish the scalp, boost blood circulation, and unclog hair follicles, paving the way for optimal hair growth. Now, how about we dive into the process of making and applying an egg mask for hair growth? For this, you will need 1 to 2 eggs, depending on your hair length. You also have the option to add honey, yogurt, or olive oil for additional moisture and nourishment. Most people just apply the egg directly on their hair. Start by cracking the eggs into a bowl and beat them until well combined. Stir in other ingredients if you wish to enhance the mask's benefits. Honey adds moisture, yogurt adds shine, and olive oil offers extra hydration. Apply the egg mask to clean, damp hair. Begin from the roots and work your way down to the ends. I prefer applying it on my hair without adding other ingredients. Massage the mask into your scalp for a few minutes to stimulate blood circulation and ensure even distribution. Allow the mask to sit on your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes for the nutrients to seep into the hair follicles and nourish the scalp. When it's time to rinse, use lukewarm water. Hot water can cause the eggs to cook, making them difficult to remove. Follow up with a gentle shampoo to get rid of any remaining residue and a conditioner to lock in moisture and soften the hair. For noticeable results over time, use an egg mask for hair growth once or twice a week. In a nutshell, protein-rich egg masks are a fantastic natural remedy that promotes hair growth, improves hair texture, and enhances overall hair health. Packed with nutrients and moisturizing properties, egg masks can help you achieve stronger, healthier, and more luscious locks. So why wait? Give this natural remedy a try and unlock the secret to beautiful hair. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.